Hello everyone, so today we are going to start a topic, basic geometrical concept. Plane shapes. Plane shapes are also known as 2D shapes. Some of the plane shapes are circle, triangle, square and rectangle. Circle. Circle has 0 sides and 0 vertices. The next we have triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 vertices. The next we have square. It has 4 sides and 4 vertices. All the sides of the square are equal or say of the same length. Next we have rectangle. It has 4 sides and 4 vertices. It has 2 short sides and 2 long sides. So the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Solid shapes. Objects that occupy space are called as solid shapes. So some solid shapes are the first one, cuboid. A cuboid has 6 plane faces. It has 8 vertices and 12 edges. Its opposite faces are equal. Next we have a cube. A cube also has 6 plane faces. It has 8 vertices and 12 edges. All the 6 plane faces are equal. Next we have a sphere. A sphere has only one curved face. It has no vertices and edges. Cylinder. A cylinder has 2 plane faces and one curved face. It also has 2 edges and no vertices. The next one we have a cone. A cone has one plane face and one curved face. It also has one edge and one vertex. The point of the cone is directly above the center of the circular base. Geometrical concept. Lines, line segments and rays. Point. A point has no size or shape. It just has a position, like the point M. It is represented by a dot. Line. A line, it has a straight path of points that has no beginning or end. It can be extended in both the directions. Like you see the example, the line XY in the figure. Next one we have a line segment. A line segment is a portion of a line that has 2 end points, like AB. Next we have a ray. A ray is a portion of a line which has one end point and extends forever in one direction, like the ray PQ. Parallel lines. The parallel lines are parallel to each other. Like you must have observed the railway track on which a train runs. It also has a parallel line. The parallel lines never meet each other. So the consecutive lines which never meet and the distance between the two lines always remains the same is known as a parallel line. Like the two lines shown in the figure R and R1. Curved lines. Next we have intersecting lines. The term intersect is used when lines, raised line or line segment figure meet, that is, they share a common point. In this case, the point of intersection is D. So these lines are known as intersecting lines. Some examples of intersecting lines are like in the letter X and also in the addition sign. Thank you.